Welcome students. Today we can discuss about article exercise. How to use article in a sentence a and the and where we have to avoid the articles. We can learn one by one. First, I have dash pencil. So now we have to look at the word pencil. So the first letter begins with consonants. Consonants means all English alphabet except vowels A, E, I, O, U. So it begins with consonants. So we have to put A before pencil. So the answer is I have a pencil. Similarly, now we can see another one example. I saw dash lion in a zoo today. So look at this word lion. It begins with consonants, so we have to put A. So I saw a lion in the zoo today. So now we can see another one example. The example is I study at dash university in Delhi. So now look at the word university. Here first letter of university is U, that is vowel, but it sounds like U, Y-O-U. So we should not put an here. We should put A before university because it sounds like U. So the answer is I study at a university in Delhi. Now we can see next example. Please lend me dash umbrella. So look at the first letter of word umbrella. It begins with vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So we have to put an in front of umbrella. So the answer is please lend me an umbrella. Now we can see another one example. Ria ate dash ice cream is the next sentence. Here look at the word ice cream. It begins with vowel I. So we have to put an. So the answer is Ria ate an ice cream. Next sentence. It takes me dash hour to get to work. So look at the word hour. It begins with consonants H, but we have to add an because it begins with an vowel sound an. So before her always we have to add an because it begins with vowel sound an. So the answer is it takes me an hour to get to work. Then the next example, dash Nile is the largest river in the world. One thing we have to always remember in article is that we have to use the in front of mountain, rivers, oceans, etc. So here the Nile is name of an river. So we have to put the. So the answer is the Nile is the largest river in the world. Then the next example is dash Pacific Ocean is the warmest ocean in the world. So as the rule we have to put the in front of the oceans. So the answer is the Indian Ocean is the warmest ocean in the world. Similarly the next example is she is dash tallest girl in the class. First look at the word tallest. It begins with superlative adjective, that is degrees of comparison. So since it belongs to superlative class, we have to add the. So the answer is she is the tallest girl in the class. Till now we have seen how to use a and the. Now we can see where to avoid articles, that is where to put zero articles, no articles. First, we have to keep in mind there are some points where we should avoid article. First is things in common, that is general, should avoid article. Then next, before the names of countries. Then before the names of language. Then before the school subjects. and before the sports and games. First, we can see example. Children likes dash sweets. So in this example, we should not put article because it just talks about things in general. That is sweets. It does not specify particular name of a sweet. So there is no article in this sentence. So we have to avoid article. So the answer is the sentence itself. Children like sweets. Next example. Do you speak dash Hindi? So in this sentence also we should avoid articles because it language name. So we have to avoid articles before language names. So the answer is do you speak Hindi? The sentence itself. In this place there is no article. We should avoid articles. Next sentence. I like to play dash football. So we have to keep in mind we should avoid articles before the names of sports or game. So in this sentence there is no article. The answer is the sentence itself. I like to play football. Then the next example sentence is I study dash chemistry. So in this sentence look at the word chemistry. It is the name of the school subject. We should avoid articles before school subjects. So the answer is I study chemistry. The sentence itself. We should avoid articles in this sentence. So we should avoid articles for all school subjects, not only for chemistry, every subjects. Thank you.